ki Samla wat kam jong Thaiñ Nongstoiñ man haka santre ku Jemang kila yo ka Jingmyntoi Lyngba ka Jingdon jong job Mela ya ka bala penlong daga Din Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushala Yojana DDUGKY hamadan football ka snong new Nongstoiñ ya ka ni job Mela lawan ban play pajba do ba ti dengan block development officer ka Nongstoiñ CNRD block harangkat ka Jingdon langru uba El Merthong block development officer ka Mauthat Rishan CNRD block kum usumbot kongsan Uba B Marbanyang DPM JC Lohani Chief Operating Officer ka DDU GKY bat kiway. Hakani ka job Mela kila don hadu khat South League company prepare na kalangkari India kibalawan ban jet bat ai kam ki Samla ka Thaiñ bat hakani ki Samla wat kam kibla penrung kerteng ngalade hagi company prepare ban lech chapan tebet ki don hadu lai spa nyop sawngot kat ba arsan ngot kidai kibla tikana ban yo kam bakin tre shabat ke jela.
Every one of us, we know the motive of DDUGKY. Why the government of India has set up is just to promote, we all know that to promote the youth of the entire, especially the rural areas of the entire nation. But then what I have seen is that most of our youth of the district, maybe they are facing the lack of confidence with, so to say, DDUGKY. Maybe it may not please the team, but then what I have seen at the rural youth, they are facing, they don't have the confidence. That's what most of them, they are not participating in. And since this is the chance for them indeed to attend and then take the opportunity and grab the chance of having so many stall and then get themselves acquainted with so many job opportunities. But then I would urge people of the youth of the district, whoever can hear my voice, they can come and join and witness such opportunities that are waiting for them. Having said that, what I have seen, again, there are so many fake agencies who have come and gone and even, get themselves into trouble in such an agencies where it is not at all authenticated. So those type of agencies promising all our youth and giving all the high hope, but then turn up nowhere. I've encountered during my tenure in Nongstoiñ last year, there was one agency who have promised the youth, but then it was not a government registered agencies. So based on that, we didn't encourage our youth to join that agency. Maybe it's a fake or not, we're not so sure. But then the way they promised, the salary that they promised, it was quite high. So based on that, to my observation, I would once again urge all the DDU-GKY team, though they have been working hard, all the staff which I have been come across with all the DDU-GKY when I was in Maushnut as well as now in Nongstoiñ, they're hardworking. But now it's the time to gain the confidence of the youth and as well as the caretaker of the youth.
Kibun kena mentak nila la ran snap hapok jela ke jingi di hakitu ki first 2 years di kibun ki bangi haban lit visit ki fields ni haban penchai pat ba ni haban pensung thu namar kadi ke scheme thamai nei ni haban pensung thu bhai ki rang ba shnong le ni ki officers ki department prepare hakabai le bat schemes di hadian kita pada Lyngba kini ki success stories juga kena ki bagi bu ki block wise ki district wise but ki department ki government department prepare pin i don display don ki kena ki la yo jing tep ke jing kran jing kini ki kena ki ba la long successful ki kan ni da I mean sim pada ki way pada ki kena ba kin wan yet hi pada shop block office pada ki district office ki wan yet ki wan ki kumduong ngin le ku ke ai ka kamram ko bagi ki dan kam ban le unda kata ki bun ngan chu ai round figure hapo West Khasi Hills district including yang ke East and West ke target ke pengidon last year kita 72 each from each blocks. So each block nila achieve kita targets but the statistic rate jadi kita nak ibala literal kala achieve yang 50% ya ke ba kapin kade ke successful department ke ba la nang kiu kat nang mi islimo di kebasutan na chusu kolong bakini ki kena hi pada ki inform pada ki bahing ki jengki le ki parok ki jengki le ki bajan ki bapa badan kini ke scheme ke bayarap ki kena syaka jing yok kam la long nok kani ka skim syaka lenti ka jing yok kam ka shong haki kena itu syafang ni kan randel la long nok ka jing thang ka la pli mo ba ka shong haki man kena tang ba ni ai ka counseling pade ka bakham banya iki kena lada nomor babun sin ka placement ka de bech buat dakhar mo ti kadau ka ba ni ai dakhar kalong nomor ba ka kena ai kam hang ni department repair kadang duna palat kini ke skim ke bangin ai kam ai jam ban phat ding khong i ke jing bom dan kam jiki khena hapo ka jala ka jingi di kindala de chepo dakhar pade shobi ki khena kini dakhar ni shobi kini ki training center ba repair ni hab dan ke jingi kenduk lang bat ki me ki pa dan ni ki bahayang ki bahasan dan ni ki rong ba snong dan ni ki nong mi khamat jong to snong ban penchai ba laki sha ni ki pchai ki kon jiki kini chepo kini ki training centers nomor ka jakarta kini sabar ni hab ban pen smutu hadu kata nang ba kanung dan ka jing ba smutu baklah di nabut subo la de ki kimi ki paki menjor da ka jing artatien im ju shimi ki khana nomor ta ka de bendan ka jing esu jing mo chwa ki non pintet ini subo plak ni chai try ki mo nang ta de la de ki khana ba de ki shudet ye kini ka training program kim dam mon e ki kimi ki paki la mon kata bingim shim nomor le ni ko ban pen set e ye ka sip ki we ba de nei kini pen niam ner jing mo chwa ba ki kimi ki pa kum ju ru ba ki nong mi ma ki nong ba kher
apa jadi begini Lyngba kani ga didi jiki wai bani yo kuliah hoi ngar kasih beri kong ba iwan di Nongstoiñ blok iwan sai pos no yo didi begini ba nala sim ni kani simjam bang lai ben kuliah ban lai kani ka yo Lyngba kani ga didi jiki wai hapo kuati parhadin pangalada ya ketua training napo ga didi jiki wai ngasa yo kam mentrain tiapo apo kuadi dengan train tu sistem train tepo kuadi sistem ba hadin kata ban mentang asawan tepo tata motor te sulong di ngayo ban wan train mentang ngayo wan train no isdo ban kani ka didi jkiwai ka de kalat ban de kalenti yang ikun Samla bangin yo kam yo jam ka de kawe ke kabuk siar ini ladang isim kata jengkit ni marman ba por ngaju yang juang di Samla ngangkan ni ke dikalan ini nomor paling buat mangang ala don kun ti ndre ngadang le ikan ni buat kalong ke Jingmyntoi buat ke di kalat yo kam yo jam ini buat ke di kalawei ke mei na benta jumi buat kunu bangin ya semprang buat ke di ke laban ong ke di ke juja jumi di kenang bang di ki Samla kantam ki Samla le badang Samla di de ben sim de jingit pri ban Lyngba kani di jiki wai ni kam marbabun ba di Samla Lyngba kani gila yo ikam jam gua iba yo hakeleng di ban ong ya kata bai lejre sa cengai ni selu ya bakum kata ngim de ban don selu bakum kata ada rang Samla le kwa ban lej tre sa cengai le kade ga apa yang ini bar balai baknang ba ni yo ban kamtam ya ketin ketlej ni yo keren nomor bangin hoi ila ban ang bangi snooting ban lej nomor ba ketin ketlej dai bukum kata em inde ban don ke tusi nomor mengaruh apa bangalai ni kong ya ketin ngam don cindang ya ketin ketlej ngamnang ketin di ngamnang ketin English nang malu malah ndai la apa step de kakam ke alam bade begini kan bade begini